Hey guys, Stephen Fillers here, back in the garage. Today we have a 1967 Shelby GT 350. We've installed a Flowmaster American Thunder header back exhaust system here. It has a 2.5 inch diameter pipe throughout with a 3 inch tip. Now this is a fully mandrel-bent stainless steel design, so the pipe diameter stays the same throughout, giving us more consistent flow and better performance as a result. This gives us a moderate to aggressive sound on the interior and the exterior alike. Now, moving on to installation. There are a couple things you should know. This kit is designed to exit out factory valances, so it's not going to work with any sort of staggered shock systems or any convertibles, so be mindful of that when making your purchasing decisions. On the difficulty scale, this is a 4 of 10. It's really pretty straightforward, but if you have any hesitations about doing this yourself, check the description below the video. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a local dealer near you who'll be more than happy to make this installation happen. On the timeline, I'll give this about an hour. Again, it's pretty straightforward, but it will vary depending on the tools and manpower you have on hand. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. Again, if you have any other questions or want more details, check the description below this video. We'll have everything listed for you there, as well as part numbers and even a dealer locator, like I said, so you can find a dealer near you to make that purchase or that installation happen. If you have any comments, please leave those in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Parts Pro in the Garage.